model, 2016 Volkswagen Crafter Cr35 2.0 Tdi. None runner needs engine repair, no VAD. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 272,900. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 Tdi 136 psa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and wont turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. Euro status, Euro 5.